time is currently 1:50 and I have to get to the mosque before 2:30. Let's see how fast I can do my skincare. I'm using this Aqua toner. That's the best toner I've used in a hot minute. I really like it and it works well for me. I'm doing something very basic since it's in the noon. I'm using this Centella Ampule. It works really well for me. I'm using this serum Grwm peptide. I really like the way I do it on my skin. Let that dry down. I have a fan in front of me so that the drying process can be fast because I need to rush. Okay. I'm using this moisturizer. This is my favorite test moisturizer. Cosrx should sponsor me. I've used like a lot of bottles. A lot of container rather, because it's not a bottle. I've used a lot. I'm using this to just oil my body because I don't really like the feel of body lotion on my body these days. It's just, look at that. I really like this. See the glow. Anyway, we are glowy, and we are mask ready. Baton box, and the box is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I've been waiting for this bag for so long. GIG has been doing anyhow. Oh my god, how lovely is this bag? It matches my pajamas. So lovely. The inside is suede. And the inside is velvet. This bag is really cute. I can't wait to carry it with those earrings I got. It goes perfectly with it. And I can't wait to just wear it. The black dress. I have everything in my head. And this bag, I carry it like this. I'm not sure I'm going to carry it like this anyways, but you know, it's a cute little clutch.
Mommy, did you not see the plenty paparazzi?
I love my dress.
At the start like this, all these things will turn to one dress. Yes, now. I will still join it together. It will become one dress.
We are en route to Oyo for my friend's wedding. I want to pick up a few things that I will be needing at the store. So yeah, before we now go to Oyo. Yeah, in Ibadan. Yeah, thank you. I know.
Where's the Oyo Park? This one here.
That one.
No.
Yes, we're on the way to meet the bride now. We're not staying at the same place. Say hi. Hi, my lovelies. We can't wait to even say I've not seen her in so freaking long.
Me, I've not seen the bride in 10 years. A whole 10 years.
Me too, I can say like 4 years.
Me.
But we're so excited.
Maybe the last time I saw her was our graduation at secondary school.
Really?
Yes. Or maybe we saw 1 or 2 times.
Me, maybe our convocation. So let's go. sitting which side? Go and see the bride. I've not seen my friend in so long. Can't enter this room. So we are just sitting down. Hopefully we can enter. My friend is frustrated. Frustrated. Sorry. We'll soon enter. Let's pray. Everybody look at our bride. Say hi. Are you happy to see me?
Yeah.
Tell everybody how we met.
We've been friends since secondary school. Don't stress my friend. And I met my to-be. She introduced me to my God.
How cute is that, you guys? I did that. We just got back from the bride's hotel room. The bride's hotel. We are staying at a different place. And she gave us a package. Khadijat's wet cordry. How cute. So, in our package, we have, let's see, what's this? A purse. How beautiful. Everybody needs a purse, right? And we have so much space. There's this nothing too. I'll show you. We also have a bottle, a cutie pink bottle. I really love this bottle because it's pink. Obviously, pink is like my favorite color. I love pink. It's a small bottle. It's a so cute. A mirror. How beautiful is this? Oh, it's so girly pop coated. And has like two sides. I'm looking at it now, and one side is magnifying and the other side is just like a normal regular mirror. I love this mirror. I love the whole kissy thing. Then we have floss. Then we have this phone strap thing. I think they call it a lanyard, if I'm correct. I'll fix it later, I feel. We have a cream tote bag. I'll put everything inside. So cute. We also have festal. I love everything the bride gave to us, and we are so grateful for this. Thank you. I want to do my lashes before I go to bed tonight. It's just a regular cluster lashes, but it takes me so long. Just going to see how long, but because I can't do that in the morning, it takes me a long time. I'm waking up by 4. I'll do my friend's makeup before I do mine. So I have to get everything I can get out of the way. So I'm going to do my lashes tonight. Just put the glue on the lash. I gave up. Tonight is not my night. So I'll just, if I use mascara or something, I'll try tomorrow morning because it's hurting my eyes. I forgot my tweezers. Everything is just wrong. So maybe tomorrow morning I'll just use my natural lash. Hi guys, the time is currently 6:57 now, and I want to get started with my makeup. My friend is done with her own makeup. Show us your makeup.
Hi.
We can't see you. Anyway, she's done with her own makeup now. Look at my friend, you guys. Hello. She looks so pretty. Yeah. We are right on time.
Ìnáwó ló wọjú. Àtúntò àpàsílátàn. Nọ́mbà ẹ̀ ò tẹ̀ lọ.
I'm done my brows now. I'll still clean it up eventually. I don't look alike, but it doesn't matter because you can see it. I'm going to blend my concealer. My mic has died, but I'm done with my makeup now, and I think it looks really, really good. Now waiting for the makeup artist. So yeah, we're almost done. We can't wait to see the bride. She's going to look super, super gorgeous. Gorgelina. Hold on. We are now fully dressed. This is my outfit. And we're about to head out. No, we want to take some pictures before we head out to go and see the bride. This is how we're looking. Cool, cool, temper. Bye bye.
Fún ẹ lọ́mú wà fún ọmọ ẹ lọ́mú ní òkun. Yes. Ẹ fi lóyún kan nínú. Ẹ fi lóyún kan nínú.